Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will learn about some computer tux paint tools. Let us see. First tool is edges tool, edges effect. For that tool, first we will draw a drawing. Let us take existing drawing. Let us take castle, color it. To fill color, click on fill tool, take a color, take another color, now color is done. Now click on magic tool, click on down arrow in the right side tools, here is edges tool, click here. Now move your finger, it is erasing the color but not the edges, right? Edges are still there, so this is edges effect. Now you also do the same and send me the picture. Okay, now second tool is drip effect. For that tool we will take a new page, click on text tool, this is text tool, click here, write, I am writing tux paint, you can write anything, tux paint, done. Now click on magic tool and from right side tools find drip effect, drip tool, now here is drip tool. In my tux paint it is with this distortion tool, click here drip tool and then move your finger on the text, it is showing dripping effect, right? Color is coming down, so this is the use of drip effect tool. You also write something, create a drip effect and send me the picture. Next is rainbow tool. For that tool we will click on magic tool and then here is rainbow, and with rainbow there is one more tool, real rainbow. We will use both the tools. Click on rainbow, okay, and then real rainbow, using both these tools you can create a scene. Don't just send me the rainbows, you can create a heart, a sun, mountain and then draw a rainbow. So create a scene and send me the picture. Next tool is smudge effect. We will draw some colorful lines and then click on smudge effect tool and we will create this kind of smudge effect in our drawing. Now let us see practically. First we will click on lines tool, choose a color and draw lines. Use any color, then click on magic tool, click on smudge tool from right tools, smudge tool, and click on the lines. Rub your finger, smudge effect. Okay, this way you can create a background, and on this background you can paste any picture, any stamp. Okay, next tool is waves effect. Now in this tool we will draw some lines and then click on wave tool, and lines will become like waves. Okay, let us see practically. Click on lines, draw lines, then click on magic, click on wave tool. Just click on one line and all the lines will become waves. Okay, now we will create vertical waves. For vertical waves we will use the tool wavelets. For that we will click on lines tool, draw vertical lines, use any color, and then click on magic tool, click on wavelet tool from right tools, and then click on just one line and vertical wavy lines are there. So all these tools you will use and create a picture, a scene, and send me the pictures. So this is today's lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.